How to make Xbox controller not turn off. So as you can see on the Xbox controller, I have the wire plugged in to the controller itself and into the back of my TV. For me, you can also have the wire going into the Xbox, so the USB can either go into the Xbox Series S or Xbox Series X itself, or your TV, and then put the other wire as so into the Xbox controller. Then you want to make sure there are no batteries in it because you don't want it to revert to the batteries. The batteries run out and the controller turns off, so it has to be with a wire there. So as you can see, once the wire's in, what you're going to want to do as well is to make it keep moving in game is you just want to simply turn your controller around, put it on your table or desk, whatever you've got there, and then make sure the left or right analog stick is kind of like a push down, like so. And as you can see, it will just in game, it doesn't matter what you're going to be playing, it's just going to keep on moving. So once you have everything plugged in there, that's all moving like so, then the controller will not turn off. Leave a like on the video if it helped and subscribe for more helpful videos.